Hello everyone. So today we are having a live with the most famous Instagram celebrity and the most renowned master, Captain Vijay. So we'll be calling Captain Vijay on board shortly. Before that, I'll give my short intro. So I am a third officer sailing with MSC with experience of container ships from my cadet ship. I have done my pre-C from IMI and I have done my schooling from East Delhi and I joined after my second mates as a junior officer and then as a third officer and I have one ship experience of third officer with MSc only. So now I request Captain Vijay to get back and he'll be on board. So I'll just call him. Just a minute. So Captain Vijay, uh, he's joining. Hello, sir. How
Hello,
are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I am good. I'm fine. It was a great session. I was continuously watching your session with Captain Tarun. It was absolutely amazing session, and your rapid answers were heads off. आपने सर मतलब celebrities को fail कर दिया करण जोहर के शो पे जो आते
Yeah, it was quite tough. I would say it's tougher than my ASM exams orals as well. No
हैं. अच्छा.
preparations at all, and plus live so many people watching, so
Yeah,
had to be careful as well.
yeah, absolutely. So I would request a short intro for my followers who may not know you. अब वैसे तो आप सर इंस्टाग्राम पे सेलिब्रिटी बन गए हैं 2 महीने में, बट स्टिल
यार कोई celebrity.
तो आप एक थोड़ा शॉर्ट इंट्रो दीजिए अपना.
Okay, I'm not a celebrity, guys. Okay, just a mentor, or you can say somebody who's doing his part on to give it back to the society. I do have good teaching capability and more into the practical stuff. So in short, was a MOL cadet. One of the best things happened to me when I was selected in MOL. It has changed me, my style, my working style. Everything is totally different working with Japanese. And then I came to ships on tankers. Then luckily on chemical tankers, and life is totally different on chemical tankers. Then been on chemical tankers, hated it, but then started loving it. And then chief mate on chemical tankers, almost close to 40 months of tank cleaning, extensive cargo operations. Then coming back to, I mean, my last year in the COVID, I got my command, so I just did one successful contract, and I'm due to join my next contract by end February.
Great, sir. Great. So today, for all my viewers who are there, the discussion will be on, as you all know, we are discussing about the cadets, and especially our focus will be from Captain Vijay. He would be giving us a good information on the right way for cadet training on board by especially the chief officer, obviously the master as well, but the more impact is from the chief officer side. So, chief officer, how should the proper training be directed for a cadet who will be joining as a third officer, doing an independent watch? And so we'll start upon that. So, firstly, I would ask Captain Sir that what you prefer that a new guy, basically I will say a baby, 19 years old, joining a ship, 300-meter ship, chemical tanker, whatever, whichever vessel, irrespective. So what you want him to have a basic knowledge about ship, the most basic from your side.
Okay. All right. This is one of the very important things. Also, in my last session with Captain Tarun, that's what I mentioned that in my company, I am seeing the junior officers. Maybe 3 out of 10 will be good, but the 7 out of 10, they are supposed to be in older days, they are supposed to be keeping proper navigation watches, but now they're coming as a junior officers. And I see that after watching them, I see, okay, he is good for junior officer. He cannot keep a proper independence. That should not happen. So for that, why it happened? Either you did not have a good training during your 18 months of cadetship, maybe because of the different companies, substandard company, good company. The guys who were there with you did not train you well, did not spend time on you, and you did not take interest. Any reason, whatever reason, ultimately you landed up being a not so good duty officer. So that is what is my intent is. Nobody is expecting you to know everything what you studied in your 3 years or one year. We
Exactly.
don't expect that. But if you're standing on the bridge and a chief officer asks you, what's rule number 15? And you say, sir, I don't know. That will give a bad impression. But if you say, sir, it's a crossing situation, okay, tell me about the rule. So you just tell him whatever you know, like a baby, you said, no?
Basic.
You
Yeah.
just tell him, sir, if there is a vessel here, I will do this, okay. Then he will have that interest, okay, this guy knows something, I will teach him more. So he will take a pen and pencil and diagram and he will, explain him nicely.
Yeah.
But if you say that I have no interest, second thing, keep a nice learning attitude. Whatever he teaches you, no matter you go on the deck, do your sounding, do your paperwork, do chipping, painting, but ensure to write it down because we are human beings. We don't have a great memory. We will tend to
Great. Great.
forget. So just take a, no, so 200 pages notebook, easily available. Write down whatever things you learn. It will create a good impression to your masters, to your chief officer that okay, he's writing down. And if he at all tells you to do anything, okay, find out this. Why you don't know this? Go and find out from Pumpy or go and find out from Bosun. You go and find out and get back to him the very next day. Okay, that will again create a good impression that you have taken extra effort. Do
Right.
not say, sir, yesterday night I was tired, sir, so I could not go. All right, he'll give you one more chance. But then if you keep on dealing, then we make out that okay, he's stalling, he doesn't want, he's not interested at all. So don't do that. Find it out because if you think that okay, the person who has asked you has forgotten, no, it doesn't happen. They remember. So don't do that and respect your seniors, whether be it second mate, whether be it third mate. It should not happen that I'm going to be a third mate and
Yeah. Yeah.
don't treat them like friends, like you
Friends.
are a
Right.
third mate and your cadet, just putting his hands around your shoulders. That's okay.
Yeah.
Friendship and all
Fine.
that, okay. But like rank respect should always be
Hmm.
there
Exactly.
and learn from everyone. Be it bosun, don't think that you are going to be in third officer someday. I will screw these guys when I become. No, learn from bosun, learn from ABs. ABs have their own expertise somewhere. Okay, OS have their own
Absolutely.
expertise. Learn from retain all the good things, store in your brain, remove all the bad and negative stuff. उसको recycle bin में डाल दो and retain the good parts, jot it down and do not get into politics on board. You have got this
Hmm.
ship after a really long time, after a lot of struggle.
Hmm.
So do not get into any politics, any mutiny. If any crew member, it's happened normals, they will
Yes. Yes.
make a team and they will say, okay, we will do
Hmm.
mutiny and we will do this and
Absolutely.
that against the. Do not be a part of that. You are going to be a future deck officer, you are a trainee navigating officer or a deck cadet. So have that respect. You will be an officer. You report straight away to chief officer. Anybody harassing you, anybody giving you, abusing you and talking about your caste or your religion, do not give back. You can do that. I know you might be muscular. Do not get into personal fights
Yeah.
and do not abuse back. Listen and report to your chief officer and let the people, the higher people sort it out. Do not get into, it will be much better if it is sorted out in the top four management ranks. I have a lot more, but I think I should stop.
Yeah. So that was great. So I was also reading Captain Vijay's a YouTube video. Please go and watch that YouTube video. I yesterday night only he sent me, and it was a great thing to watch. The short video about cadets, how at cadets OS trainees on board, how they should be, what I do. The best thing I like about the thing he also mentioned in his last session that what he likes on board is attitude. So this I learned from my last master also, and I maybe he's watching my session because I requested him, sir, please देखना. Because actually he actually brought a big change in me because obviously it was the first contract as third officer. So maybe my batchmates also know and you also know it's a big change when you go as an independent watchkeeping officer for the first time, navigating a vessel for the first time, especially my route. It was completely China, Taiwan Strait, full of traffic. So it was a big task first time. But he supported me a lot, and the best thing which he always focused me is attitude. You have a knowledge of 30% on board, no problem. Masters are there, chief officers are there, their support is always there. But your attitude to complete that remaining 70%, if it's there, no matter what, no matter how are you, you always will reach the excellence mark and you'll achieve it. So, especially for the cadets, that please don't think that any job is odd on board. Even if a master or chief officer is telling you to clean a drip tray, that cleaning a drip tray has an thing which you don't know. But when once you will be a second officer, third officer, or chief officer, you will understand that cleaning a drip tray has a thing. कि अगर तुमने उसको साफ नहीं करा, it has all the dust, the thing, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. So because we were cadets, and this attitude आ जाता है, especially the people who are coming, I will say, from a rich family, उनके अंदर थोड़ा आना ज्यादा है, because मुझे ये करना पड़ रहा है, मैं ऐसे कैसे कर लूँ यार. Fine, acceptable, but understand the importance behind that. Okay, so I would also now ask you, sir, that please tell something about the procedures a cadet should follow, like on a containers. Like I will talk about
Okay.
containers maximum because I have this idea about tankers and all. So we have
I
reversed
did.
everything.
Yeah, I did. I have done
I
containers
know,
as
I know,
well.
I know, I know. So
I have
apna
one request if you don't mind.
no,
Yeah, Captain Ravi must have sent you a request. He's a senior master, my mentor as well. So if you can just add him,
sure,
he'll
sure,
just
surely,
authenticate whatever I'm saying.
absolutely, sir, absolutely.
Okay, you can please
Yeah,
go ahead with your question. Yeah,
yeah. So I was asking that. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, please
He will
continue,
just
Prakash.
yeah support
Okay,
me. Yeah,
so I was talking about that a new cadet is there on board, a trainee is there. So, like, normally takes the reefer rounds, and he's supposed to take the temperature log on board morning, evening by the electrical department and all. So, what safety precautions as a chief officer should be like straightforward to him, that it's a wind of 40 knots, 30 knots, you should be accompanied by a guy, you should not go alone on deck, and especially it might happen that chief officer might forget to give him some guidelines, and obviously he will not remember. So what he should, as a basic things, always remember to ask his chief officer that मैं क्या ऐसा करूं और क्या ऐसा ना करूं, that I'm going on a deck. So what he should remember for his own personal safety.
yeah. Okay. Personally, I would never want to see or hear any personal injury or any accident happening on board, be it dry bulk carrier. So any cadet, no matter what Chief Officer Master has told you, have your own understanding of that operation that you're going to do. Okay, you have completed a 3 years and or 1 year. If you're in doubt, confirm, clarify from Chief Officer, from Captain, from bosun, from anybody before taking any or doing any job, whether you think slightest manner there is a risk. Do not do it because we don't want to end up having an accident or injury happening to a cadet. And see what happens, accident injury ho gaya na, then you do the reporting and all that. But ultimately the career of that poor chap is finished.
Finish.
If you
Yes.
know if it is a major, we don't want that. So please take care of your safety. People are there, safety officer is there, senior guys are there, but safety is your priority. When you have joined the ship doing all your medicals and you've joined the ship, the doctors declared you fit, please sign off safely. And safety is in your head, safety
Mind.
should be within you. Do not take shortcuts. I've seen people jumping and taking shortcuts and trying to do stunts. Do not do all that. One small mistake is enough to end your career. So safety for me is always priority. You join the ship safely, you sign off safely. Others will come with your experience.
Absolutely. So, sir, would you like to add up something?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. When I was a cadet, one of my very
Sir,
senior
excuse me.
master.
Can I know
So
your name? I just forgot. Please, can
Yeah,
you
yeah.
give? Yeah.
I'm
Sorry.
Ravi Chaudhary, Captain Ravi
Okay, sir.
Chaudhary. Okay.
Okay, sir. Please go
So
ahead.
and you are sorry, I didn't get your name. Yeah.
I'm third officer
he's
Abhishek Gupta, sailing with MSC in container ships.
All right, sir. Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one of my, when I was a cadet, one of my very senior masters, one thing he had told me on a ship, never run. No one should run on a vessel. That thing, got stuck in my head, and I realized, because ship has, on deck or
Lot
wherever, there's so many obstructions, you can
hurdles.
easily trip and, falling on a metal, how bad the injury can be. So that I passed on to the, juniors, seniors, everybody, whoever I saw later on, कि जहाज पे walk fast but do
Hmm.
not run.
Yeah.
That urgency, you have urgency, fine. Show it, by walking fast, but no need to run. That's one thing. Other thing, if I am a master and depending on, the weather, it now weather depends on, whether you are on a capesizer or a handy or whatever. So mostly I was on a capesizer. So if the weather is, 7 or 8 or above, I will never allow anyone on deck unless there is
Absolutely.
a dire emergency, कि आगे की मतलब शक पड़ रहा है कि लैशन का कोई पंगा हो गया एंकर की, तो then
Hmm.
I'll say first, if the weather is from right ahead, I'll turn the vessel and then ask the people to go from the lee side, not from the
Yeah.
weather side.
Where
And
this?
not one person, always, one senior guy, I will not send the cadet alone. I will send a bosun with him. I will
Hmm.
send maybe a chief mate with him. Okay, so now both of you go, or maybe a third person if the work requires more manpower. 2 or 3 people go, do whatever lashing, and they have to be proper, communication. Like I had a session
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Captain Vijay. So I give so much
Yeah.
of emphasis on two-way communication.
Absolutely.
Communication has to, because lack of communication is mother of all the goof ups on board. So,
Yeah.
whatever, radio walkie-talkie you take, communicate, make sure before stepping on deck, you are in touch with bridge or whoever, all those people possible. And then when you go there, take lessing, whatever. So that's the only thing. I would, never suggest any work outside the accommodation in bad weather. So, like you were asking if the weather is bad and cadet, what advice? No advice. Cadet is not stepping on deck. No one is stepping on deck. Period. So, I mean, but then, sometimes, you have emergency, then you
Yeah,
have
yes.
to do, we have to do, we have done that. Anyway,
Absolutely, you are correct. Because on my last trip also, like we used to have sometimes very rough weather, so we would stay late. So the master was always concerned below before making any announcements to galley department. The basic we fill the checklist, heavy with the checklist and everything. The what he used to do, he himself personally used to call the cadet because we have a freshy cadet on board. He has a 2 months experience on board, new cadet. So he personally used to tell him that these are my recommendations, my orders to you, that you are not going to step out of the accommodation. He will not tell the chief officer to tell the cadet. He himself will take
himself,
that
absolutely.
time and that thing to call him and his cabin and भैया तू निकल नहीं दिखना चाहिए
नहीं
मेरे को
जाना,
कमरे के या accommodation के बाहर.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
So absolutely. So all right. So sir, both captains we have. So my next thing I will be asking that the cadets we have on board. So what things a chief officer should start with in his basic like structure of training, maybe rules, or maybe safety things. So what he should start with a new cadet from basic that preparing him to be on board, subject and the concept and whatever.
Okay. How I go about is, or my own style. I'll tell him that tomorrow or this watch, of course, open sea and all that, no pressure, no, as a chief mate, not as a this thing. So this is what I'll tell him the topics that tomorrow you have to study about these topics and come. For example, just study, just brush up rule number 5 to 10 and come tomorrow with the questions. Then I'll bring him to the radar and bring him to the egg days or whatever. Then I'll show him, okay, now there is a vessel here, there's a vessel there. So accordingly, I will tell him the practical, and whenever I'm taking an action, I'll tell him, okay, this is how. Now, what did you find? Why did I go to port? Why didn't I do this?
Hmm.
No feedback, interaction, so that he also understands that picture in his head, because that picture is going to stay in his head. Whatever he mugs up he's going to forget. So he has to see it happening through his eyes. That will always remain. And after his breakfast, have a quick breakfast, okay, and go on deck, spend time on deck because whatever time the cadet spends on deck, 18 months during mooring stations, okay, aft station, forward station, cargo operations, like third mate, so hectic cargo operations
Yeah.
on containers, and he'll be doing the same thing as cadet. And he is
Hmm.
damn good, he knows which containers are going here, going there, which cranes are there, any kind of heavy operation. The same thing is he will be, as a very great third officer. So he has to spend time on deck, seamanship, learn mooring operations, cargo operations, pick up the pilot nicely, and think that he is a proper duty officer.
Yeah.
Watch the duty officer doing it, and then do that, do everything that the third mate, and out of his
Third
own
mate.
initiative. And it's like, okay, third mate, now you're free, 12 to 3 to 4, now you're free to sleep. Okay, sorry, the cadet, you're free to take rest. That time he should ask the third mate, sir, are you doing any critical LSFFA maintenance? And if
Hmm.
he's doing it, then he should accompany him.
Company. Great.
That,
So yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Okay. In my case, like if I'm a chief mate, the first thing, a new cadet, let's say fresh cadet is joining the vessel. First thing is, he doesn't know where he's boarding. Okay, he's done pre-sea training, everything, So this is the first time he's boarding. So most important for me is the safety, personal safety. So I'll probably, give him 5 or 6 minutes or 10 minutes, lecture on safety, the do's and
Mm.
don'ts. The ship can be
Absolutely.
the most beautiful and safest place on earth, and it can be most dangerous also, depending on how you operate, how you move around. So
Yes.
that's the basic. So and after that, when I was a cadet, sorry, when I was a chief mate, I used to every Saturday, Sunday, I used to give them chutti, and Saturday give them a set of questions, prepare them. Sunday को तुम्हारा सुबह टेस्ट है ब्रिज पे. तो that used to be the regular thing कि उनको you know mostly I would give the ship specific. मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि अच्छा why stars appear 4 minutes this and the moon is rising 49 minutes later. ये फालतू चीजें नहीं. ठीक है. ओनली शिप स्पेसिफिक कि हाइड्रोफोर कैसे चलता है,
Mm.
fresh water generator कैसे, so that they once in a while on a Saturday, Sunday they are off, they take a trip to the engine room, go around थोड़ी बहुत नेविगेशन नॉलेज, थोड़ा उसको मैं डेक के बारे में पूछूंगा. व्हाट इज एडक्टर सिस्टम तुम्हारे
Mm.
जहाज में, ये किधर, व्हाट इज वेंचुरी इफेक्ट,
Mm.
बेसिकली बैलेस्टिंग डी बैलेस्टिंग द कैडेट मस्ट नो, स्ट्रिपिंग कैसे
Everything.
करनी है,
Yes.
basically these are the thing. With the second mate and third mate, cadet is a very important person, कि उसने जाके चलो साउंडिंग वाउंडिंग तो लेगा, बट he has to also make sure, and also how to make sure when the pump is losing suction,
Mm.
the
Yes,
suction
sir.
gauge and discharge pressure.
Mm.
Basic idea.
Yeah.
Suction has to be in the negative and discharge has to
Yeah.
be on the positive. These are the
Yeah.
basic things, so that cadet gets it trained, and of course, like captain says, put them with the third mate, learn third mate job, second mate job. तुम चार्ट करेक्शन करके आजकल तो खैर, आई मीन आई एम टॉकिंग
Like
अबाउट
this, yeah.
एंशियंट डेज. अभी एक डिस्क है. ठीक है. So, whatever second mate or third mate are doing, learn about the bridge equipment and all those things. And first thing, definitely the safety. Personal safety is your responsibility. मैं जब भी जहाज पे जाता हूँ, 2 days or 3 days after sailing, I have a general meeting of the entire ship. तो उसमें मेरा ये पॉइंट होता है कि देखो भाई, यो मैं तुम्हें सेफ्टी गियर सारा दूंगा, सब कुछ तुम्हें मिलेगा, कानों के लिए, सिर के लिए, इसके लिए, उसके लिए, बट योर सेफ्टी is your personal responsibility. I am not responsible for your safety. I'll be responsible if I put you in a dangerous condition, which I will never. So, these are the basic things, and बाकी over the time, cadets, they will learn, But
Mm.
मेरे जो Saturday, Sunday को होते थे about ship specific, जो operation उन्होंने करना है, so those question I'll be asking, I send them here, send them there, and then write down next day in the morning. And about the ROR जो आप कह रहे थे,
जी.
ROR के लिए इंसेंटिव चाहिए. हमें इंसेंटिव मिलता था जब हम कैडेट थे. नो नो, यू नो व्हाट इंसेंटिव, कि
Yeah.
वो तुम्हारे पास शोर लीव के लिए आ रहा है बच्चू, रूल नंबर 15 फटाफट सुना दे मेरे को और जा. वो
Very
भागते
good.
जाएगा कि ये मेरे को 6 घंटे मिले हैं, मैंने अभी 15 मिनट में कैबिन में जाके या रट्टा मार के चीफ मेट को सुनाना है.
Very
सेम
good.
वे सेम वे कि बच्चू तेरे को कल सैटरडे छुट्टी मिल रही है, मेरे को रूल नंबर 10 बता दे, 1 सेकंड
Mm.
में. So, basically that. Sorry, I'm taking too long.
Yeah. So on ROR, I will just let share my experience when I was a cadet. It was my first trip. So what my chief officer has done with me, he is also a master now. So जैसे आप बता रहे थे that Captain Vijay, that when if you are when you were a chief officer or even as a master, you will tell a cadet कि I have taken this action, and if you have taken a wrong action, like for example you are doing something and you will say that what should can be the alternative action for this, or what should have been done other than this, or if I have done this, and as per which rule this is right. So what he used to do, my chief officer, he used to see a situation that any situation is building up, be it head on, be it crossing. And before that, he will ask me the rule for that situation. Okay, tell me rule number, say 14, overtaking. Tell me head on, tell me crossing, tell me all these rules he'll be asking. And same situation is building up. I'll tell him the rule, and after that he will say, "No, you see, this is how it works." So, and this was very good for me because I'd go back to the chart table, I read the rule, learn the rule, I'll dictate him word by word. If I make a mistake, he will tell me even a may has a difference, as you all know, sir. So that जब ओरल देने जाओगे तब तुम्हें समझ में आएगा कि ये तुमने जो बट और मे या इज नहीं लगाया इसकी क्या इंपॉर्टेंस और क्या रूल का मतलब बदल गया. एंड नाउ यू सी दिस आई हैव टेकन एक्शन. So in that way the rules built in me in a very proper way. एंड व्हेन आई वाज अ थर्ड ऑफिसर तो उस समय अपने आप रूल ऐसा घूमता था दिमाग में जब हम एक्शन ले रहे थे कि ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है तो ऐसा ऐसा. तो वो एक चीज कैडेटशिप में इतनी हेल्प करी क्योंकि पढ़ा, देखा, क्योंकि जब हम देखते हैं तो दिमाग में ज्यादा अच्छे से विजुलाइज करते हैं एंड वी विजुलाइज एंड कीप इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. तो वो एक बहुत एक हेल्पफुल रहा मेरे लिए फ्रॉम माय कैडेटशिप पीरियड.
Yeah, yeah,
तो
I totally
या
agree.
So next I will be asking sir कि what you think that cadet should have this rest period on board, that this should be obviously अब काम वो कर रहा है 10 घंटे या 12 घंटे, बट अगर वो सिर्फ 12 घंटे काम कर रहा है बिकॉज चीफ ऑफिसर रिक्वायर्स हिम कि ये तो मेरा बंदा है, तो ऑब्वियसली चीफ ऑफिसर requires him because he has so much of work, paperwork, this, that. He requires cadet, absolutely. But उस टाइम के बाद he has to take his own time, maybe from the rest और जैसे मर्जी, to get time with second officer, to get time with third officer. Sometimes master may also call him for his paperwork, for allotments, home allotment, paperwork, filing, everything. तो व्हाट शुड बी द बेसिक टाइम पीरियड, या कैसे एक कैडेट अपना टाइम मैनेज करे सब चीजों को रखते हुए कि मैं थोड़ा सा टाइम थर्ड ऑफिसर भी निकाल लूँ, 1 घंटा चाहे 2 घंटे वो डेक पे काम कर रहा है 1 घंटा निकाल लूँ, सेकंड ऑफिसर जब चाय वाय पी रहा है कॉफी पी रहा है ओपन सी है थोड़ा उसके टाइम निकाल लूँ मैनुअल्स खोल लूँ. तो कैसे मैं वो मैनेज करे टाइम अपना.
Cadets, okay, cadet का जो 18 months है ना, I would say do not worry much about your rest hours.
या
Okay, fatigue and all that, you so hey, you have to take that minimum, and chief also will make sure you do that. But that is the time to learn the make the best out of it. It's a dynamic. कभी होता है कि second mate अच्छा आ गया, who is interested in teaching. नहीं तो
हम्म
कभी कभी होता है कि second mate is like okay अपना काम करो, and he
हम्म
doesn't care about second third mate आएगा कि सर मुझे एक सिखा दो, बोला कल बताता हूँ, तो you can make out that he doesn't want to teach and forget the cadet ने पूछा तो नहीं बताया, but some second mate will be like अरे छोटू क्या कर रहे हैं, आ जाओ ऊपर रास्ते को, टुडे आई एम अपडेटिंग दिस, आई विल शो यू हाउ टू अपडेट. देन ही शुड आस्क चीफ ऑफिसर कि सर ऐसा है, एंड इफ देयर इज नो अदर वर्क, सी बेसिकली व्हाट आई वांट इज द थर्ड में द कैडेट शुड मेक द लाइफ ऑफ चीफ ऑफिसर इतना इजी कि चीफ ऑफिसर शुड बी लाइक बॉस, दिस कैडेट जब से आया तब से इसने मेरी लाइफ सेट कर दी है, and if chief officer is happy, the cadet is going to be happy, and he will himself tell
या
me, "Arey, just see, second mate is doing something very important. You go and learn." और third mate को आज मैंने बोला है कि लाइफ बॉयज वॉट एवर लाइफ बोट को चेक करने के लिए बॉटल्स, go with him, he'll send
या
him. But if you don't help the chief officer and think नहीं सर मुझे रेस्ट नहीं मिला सर, मैं अपना कल करूंगा परसों करूंगा, तो देन chief officer will treat you like a proper cadet, and then लर्निंग जो उसको जो मैक्सिमम आउटपुट जो उसको मिलना चाहिए था वो नहीं मिल पाएगा. एंड कैडेटशिप में यू हैव बीन, आई थिंक आई हैव इंप्रेशन दैट यू मस्ट हैव बीन अ गुड कैडेट. सो कैडेटशिप में जस्ट डू एवरीथिंग, वेदर बी टेकिंग फोटोज और वेदर बी गोइंग ऑन डेक, वेदर थर्ड मेट इज सेइंग मैं नूडल बना दे यार आज तो, या चाय बना दो, डजंट मैटर, करो, एवरीथिंग
बिल्कुल.
इज इंपॉर्टेंट. थर्ड मेट को बोला कि अरे जस्ट पायलट के लिए जस्ट चाय बना दो,
हम्म
थर्ड में पहले खुद से पूछेगा सर वुड यू लाइक टू हैव टी कॉफी, और वो खुद से एकदम बढ़िया चाय बना के एकदम पायलट को पिला दिया, कैप्टन को पिला दिया. इट्स जस्ट अ गुड रिलेशनशिप दैट यू डूइंग. नोबडी इज ईच अदर सर्वेंट. मास्टर खुद से चाय बना लेता है, बट अगर थर्ड मेट बोलता है सर आज मैं आपको चाय बनाता हूँ, आउट ऑफ हिज ओन गुडविल, एक
राइट.
माहौल ही चेंज हो जाता
यस.
है शिप का. सो दैट अपना छोटा बड़ा वो वाला एटीट्यूड नहीं रखने का. एंड
एटीट्यूड. या
खासकर जो
या
एसएमएस प्रोसीजर्स में लिखा ना, जॉब रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ थर्ड मेट सेकंड मेट, follow that, but do more than that, because
लिमिटेड
when
नहीं.
you are on board,
या
you're like a family. Each and everybody is like your bhai, brother, like a family members. You have to make sure you have each other's back, and everybody is safe. Nobody is depressed, nobody is sad. Just treat them like a family member, and then everything will be fine.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Absolutely.
जैसे आप या प्लीज गो अहेड
No, 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 that's it. I mean, what I'm saying is, like he's saying, I have never had problems with, people coming and complaining because basically, like Captain said, I had a very congenial, relations with everybody on board. unless you always get stuck with some obnoxious people. You can ignore them. You don't have to
Yeah.
take on them. So when you have good relationship, when I was a master, just a small example, I went to a ship, all Filipinos, so I was the only Indian there. So the master Indian who I was relieving. So anyway, I went up on the bridge at 12 o'clock. Master was still there. Handing over was going on. So I went to the bridge. The Filipino second mate was there. So he started talking with me. I was very nice with him. It was my first chat with him. I said, okay. And then master came, the master who was leaving. So I told the second mate, I said, oh, Sec, can you make some tea for me? And he said, "Oh yeah, 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 Captain." I said, "No, you make sure you put some cardamom and this. I'll teach you how to make. You are going to, make tea for me every day." And he went and made tea for me. And the captain who was leaving, he said, "Sat, you never made tea for me." So it's like maybe he never asked him, or he it was not up to him. So I was like in a very friendly way, same way. Uh, if I am making tea, I'll ask the second mate, "Sec, I'm
Yeah.
making tea. Do you want a cup? I'll make for you." So that kind of atmosphere. So same thing. So same with the cadet. Again, when I was a master, cadets were always my favorites. So I would make sure I would interfere and make sure that cadets are getting a good training on board. They are getting good rest on board. So once in a while, I'll request chief mate or ask him or ask the cadets if everything is okay to make sure they are not overworking. But yes, if you are a cadet and if you are overworking, damn it, do it.
Yes.
That's the only time you are learning.
Absolutely. So Captain Chaudhary, sir, you are still sailing, sir? You are a sailing master?
No, I quit 7 years ago.
Okay. So you have taken ashore, or how?
No, I mean, thanks to Captain Vijay, I get to do these live shows. It happened only a week ago, and otherwise I run an NGO now here in Chandigarh.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Very good, sir.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So you are based in Chandigarh.
yeah, based in Chandigarh.
Okay. It's very good, sir, if you're doing live sessions. That is much more good because it's very good for especially junior officers, cadets, everything. कैप्टन विजय की मैंने तो कल रात को 4 बजे सारी यूट्यूब वीडियोस पर सुन डाली तो मतलब इट्स अमेजिंग एंड जैसे आप कह रहे थे कैप्टन विजय दैट यू मे बी अ गुड कैडेट आई वाज नॉट सच अ गुड कैडेट बट लकीली माय ऑल चीफ ऑफिसर्स हेल्प मी अलॉट टू ऑफ देम वर आल्सो वर्किंग चला गया पता नहीं अच्छा नहीं लग रहा दोनों को मेरा तो so they were absolutely saved me in a very good way. And also my master who was there with me, I always keep referring his name everywhere. My first ship as third officer, Captain Debartha Bhattacharjee from Kolkata. That master, very tough master, is very famous in our company to sail with because people like they start shivering when they hear their names because his level of like what he expects from all officers, be it cadet, be it crew, is par excellence. And to reach that level requires a lot of hard work, working to come to his level. So in all those like hard work of my 6 months, I learned a lot. I learned a lot from him. So all that helped a lot. Okay. So also one thing I want to ask her that what you think that a cadet who is joining a ship coming for 9 months, 6 months, different companies, different styles. So what he should keep in his mind that because अभी COVID था तो it delayed the people they were staying on board. Lot of depressions. People in my company in MSC they were sign off after 17 months of officers through their route, something like that. So what he should be planned. This is my first ship. For example, he has never been out anywhere, leaving his parents, leaving his family. So he should be planned about those 9 months. कि भैया 11 भी हो सकते हैं 12 भी हो सकते हैं so how he should be planned to stay on board? He's working away from family, away from friends, away from everyone. So what he should be managing this thing?
Okay. Uh, every cadet has the same experience. Me also never been outside Maharashtra, outside Mumbai, and then my first ship was joining in Japan. So parents were afraid, scared. Obi Japan में language issues and all that.
Yes, yes,
So that is there, and homesickness, and initially you're leaving for the first time, and then you realize that when you are joining as a master, also your mom has still the same emotions. So that is going to stay forever. ठीक है. So when you go on board, make the first call. Okay, ask anybody. You may not have the same that time, but ask anybody. Please, I need to make a call, or use the ship's satellite phone. Request and make a satellite phone to your parents that you have reached. First thing. And nowadays WhatsApp and all that net रहता है, so just
Yes.
tell them that you have
Yeah.
reached. And do not reveal each and everything to your parents that
Family.
today is somebody shouted and all. Let them be think that you are happy, unless it is a very big emergency or something. That's different thing. But do not share a small minor things that is happening on board. That's normal. And when you join, you will be a naive 12th standard guy or engineering, marine engineer joining for the first time. But when you sign up from that ship, people should speak that, okay, yeah, this guy has gone now, what will be the next cadet, because he has made our life easy. People should talk really good about you, and like they should be like, that they're losing an asset. You join the ship as a liability for like initially 1 month, few days, few weeks, but when you after that you should become an asset for everybody. Like you should be the go-to man for everybody. Chief mate, okay, ये problem है, this cadet is there. Master, अरे कोई नहीं, ये cadet को बोल दे कर देगा. ऐसा होना चाहिए. अगर ये कैडेट को भेजा है सर, वो कैडेट ने बोला है कि वहां पे ना उसका प्लग डाला है सर, ये भी बोलता है सर नहीं डाला है. ये कैडेट ने बोल दिया मतलब बोल दिया, इसने कर दिया तो कर दिया. ऐसा होना चाहिए. दैट ट्रस्ट यू शुड
That
have
trust.
it, and in that 8-9 months of your cadetship, and make sure that when you go back on your second ship, the first thing you know how it is. That happens when you're joining as third mate, second mate also. People ask you, have you done your this is your first ship or second ship? It's normal, right? So we ask that
Absolutely.
to make sure, okay, he has done that one shift. And then your orientation or your perception changes.
Yeah.
Okay, so that time we think, okay, he's already done that one shift. So do not give him a bad impression that last shift he has done nothing. It should not happen that. You should prove your worth that you have done 9 months as a cadet, and now it is only a different ship's type. Suppose from container you have gone to a bulk carrier or a tanker. It is only the type of ship that has changed, but the basics remains the same. Bridge ROR remains the same. Doesn't matter tanker, VLCC or containers. Basics remain the same. At least you should show that you have the basics learned in your last. And he will also be like, maybe in the same company, अरे यार तेरा last ship पे chief cadet था यार, बहुत बढ़िया तूने उसको सिखाया है ना. All that things should happen.
Yes.
He
Yes.
should talk good about you when you sign off.
Yeah. So same, absolutely fun experience I would share with you, sir. We 12 people we joined in Hong Kong during COVID situation. So we were 12 guys joining together, captain, chief officer, myself, third officer, and a lot of crew members, engineers. So there was a cadet, second ship cadet. He was about to complete his this last ship, and he was supposed to go for second batch exam after this. So we just joined. We were about to unberth from the Hong Kong port, and there was an alarm in the AIS. Second officer was sleeping. It was chief officer's watch. So I was also there. Chief officer was there. Captain was there. One AB, he was new. So we are unberthing, and everyone on the bridge is new. Everyone on the bridge is new. So the cadet was there. So the AIS alarm was a JRC. So like we were not able to know how to switch off the alarm.
Remove.
And captain was, "Arey, isko band karo yaar." Pilot, that pilot is like, "What is this, captain? What is this? This that." The कैरेट मतलब हम सब पांच खड़े हुए हैं ऑन अबव दैट इक्विपमेंट. कैप्टन कैरेट आया और चुपके से एक बटन दबाया और चला गया. वी वर लाइक, so that
वाह
that
Yeah,
day
क्या
yeah,
बात
that
है.
yeah that day was that captain got a trust, and first day and his impression on the cadet was like, भैया कुछ होगा थर्ड ऑप्शन सेकंड ऑप्शन से तो नहीं होगा, इसको बुलाऊंगा. So that was amazing, and this is how all cadets I would
I,
request
if
that.
I may say, if I may
Yeah,
say,
sure.
now we're talking about cadets, but I had one trainee OS who joined the ship after GP rating, and he joined the ship after a few months. He was promoted to AB, and after when he signed off after 9-10 months, I was chief mate. I gave him a recommendation to become AB. So you imagine what kind of person was he? He was the go-to man. He bridge watches pe used to come on his own initiative. Even the captain, almost a senior, 65 years old senior captain, he joined, and within few weeks or something, he was like, okay, this guy is damn good. In fact, he even encouraged him to do his second mates from UK or something. But he was damn good. So it is not that only deck cadets; it applies to even the GP ratings as well. You have that sense of responsibility. Make sure that your bosun or everybody calls you first, and when somebody new comes, then he'll be like, okay, you have to teach this guy, and you have to become as good as you or better than you. So you have to set the standards.
Great. All
Absolutely,
right. So
absolutely.
I'll be summing up, sir. Something you want to add? Anything for the our future masters, our cadets, our trainees going first time, going second time, being a cadet. Anything you want to add, please add, sir.
Uh, I would say, like nowadays, we always say the carrots are endangered species. On our time we were like four, five carrots, six carrots, and now you'll
Yes,
find only one carrot, two carrot. If there are two, they are very lucky. If there's only one carrot, the carrot must find some company on board. Okay, so it's
yes,
like, his equivalent, maybe a smart AB, maybe a smart, some guy from deck, or maybe a junior engineer or somebody, because there are going to be times when this cadet, in his free time, he's going to get depressed. He's going to go home and feel lonely. At
yes,
that time, it's like, just like as a master, when you're sitting right on top, it is the most lonely over there. Same way
yes,
when
sir.
you're a cadet, you have one or two guys only, but you cannot, just go to a captain and say, "Sir, मेरे को मम्मी की याद आ रही है." Right? So, times like this, a cadet must find ways and means to, entertain himself. Lack of company can lead to eventually depression. Like in one of my tapes, I have narrated my incident. Me as a master, I had lack of company because they were all 20 Filipinos and I was the only Indian guy.
Indian.
I I almost it was not depression, but it was getting to that. When I came back home, I had to take professional advice from a psychiatrist. So what I'm saying is a cadet, because he's just joining new, he may be scared. Maybe he initially doesn't have company or something, so he must find ways or means to entertain himself. And maybe if one day, if it situation is getting very bad, of course nowadays you have phones. I mean, phones were always there, so you can call up home or whatever. But then you cannot put your parents into that kind of a situation.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
हमारा बच्चा अकेला है और वो पता नहीं पागल हो
yes.
रहा है.
Hmm.
So approach a next senior rank, maybe third mate or second mate, कि please chief mate या captain को बोल दो कि मेरे को ये हो रहा है. If they are nice people, they will do something about it. So basically,
Absolutely.
keep your spirit up as a cadet,
Great, great.
captain.
Anything from your side, Captain Vijay?
I on my second ship, we had 24 months उस time पे. Okay, so on my second ship, one chief officer joined, a very good chief officer, and he told me, okay, DLP, how much you have completed. So we were supposed to complete one DLP in three ships. I had three ships, eight, eight, eight. So I have completed few questions. So every ship we had one set of questions. So he told me, okay, tomorrow bring your DLP, and he marked me all the questions that tomorrow I need this. And I looked at the questions. I was like, how is possible? I said, I don't care. You just complete. Then after my watches, I took all the books and started writing full night. Okay, full night. I wrote morning 4 o'clock. Neend mein I went and I showed him, okay, sir, completed. Then at 6 o'clock, he told me, okay, go and sleep. Go and take rest. Full day rest. Initially, I thought, yeah, no, I could have retaliated or said, that how it's possible. I have to sleep as well. But no, I wrote. I did not expect that he would give me the off in the daytime. But that's how they also have their own style of teaching. You adjust to each style of teaching, and you take it in a positive spirit. He made sure I completed my DLP in 3 months instead of my 9 months. And he started, he got my books through the next joining crew for my third ship as well. And I started completing my third ship as well. And in my entire MOL, the news spread that, one of the cadet has completed in 3 months. And all the cadets of all over the fleet, they started abusing me that who is this idiot who's doing all this stupid stuff.
Great.
But I still remember him. I still remember him. So in that, just every guy has their own style of teaching. Somebody is very strict, somebody will just keep on abusing, but everybody has their own style. As a cadet, you have to be like a clay, get molded,
Yeah,
soft, and adjust
absolutely.
everywhere. And
Absolutely.
so
Similarly,
that's it
like
from my
this
side. Okay.
time, I went to master. Like he had his standing instructions कि any officer coming to me for his promotion training program, और अगर तुम साइन ऑफ से 3 दिन पहले आ रहे हो कि भैया साइन कर दो तो भूल जाओ, तुम्हें मिल गया तुम्हारा प्रमोशन. तो start coming 1 month before, and you have to prepare notes. Like in our company, every company has different style. So we have a proper checklist this as per the rank. So normally is a normal practice. All my batchmates tick 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 captain ने sign कर दिया, मैं promotion training program मिल गया. End of story. So so someday in the morning he came up. I just got a news of my sign off 1.5 months before. So he came up. अरे अभिषेक तुमने अपना वो पीटीपी कुछ भरना शुरू करा? मैंने कहा यस सर आई एम अप ऑन इट. अच्छा दिखाओ जरा कितना भरा है. तो 2-3 पेज लिखे थे कुछ कुछ चीजों पे. मैंने कहा सर ये. So he just take it and in the air it was flying and I was looking for my pages. Where are those? So and then he told me that this is the way I want if you want a promotion. 1.5 months I took my sign was planned after 1.5 months. And almost this book I am having, I like as you say that always write your diary. So I have a habit from cadetship also. ये जूनियर ऑफिसर की डायरी है एडिशनल थर्ड ऑफिसर की. तो ऐसी किताब एक थर्ड ऑफिसर में मैंने उनको लिख के दी. तो उससे भी वो आई थिंक पूरे तरीके से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं थे. उनके मुंह पे कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन थी कि और कुछ है. तो मैंने कहा नहीं सर यही है. तो आप देख लो. So he was like, okay, I will recommend you. So this is the way that sometimes, as you say, molding. So I will say that molding is the, until you reach a master, you have to mold as per the master for your own betterment. Be even if you're a chief officer, if you mold as per your master, definitely you will be molded into a better way.
Yeah.
That's all.
Since
Yeah,
you
please go ahead.
okay.
Please go ahead.
I was just about to say, even when I became a master, I still kept molding myself, for better.
Yeah,
Learning from here and there, maybe from some senior master who I met only for 2 days during handing over, taking over. Something I liked about his, personality or his style of working, and I would keep that in mind. Okay, this guy is doing something, better than me. Learn that. Molding continues always.
absolutely. Right. Yeah, please, you were saying something, sir, Captain Vijay.
I was saying that since you're from MSc, so I don't know if you know, he was my chief mate on my last ship as cadet, Captain Sudarshan Bist.
I know him very well. He's very famous in our company from Dehradun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Dehradun. Yeah. So he was my cadet on my last ship in 2007, I believe, 2007-8. And he was new in the company, first time in the company in MOL. So I was old. So I told him, don't worry about all the paperwork checklist. I'll take care of everything. And I had DLP as well. I was just 4 months there. So 9, 9, 18 and just 4 or 5 months I was supposed to do then complete my DLP. So the ship was going to dry dock and it was almost a 23-year-old ship. So you can imagine the work there.
Absolutely.
I helped him out for 1 or 2 months. I did not even touch my DLP. I was just with him in the dry dock. I gave my everything, 16, 20 hours, doesn't matter. But after the dry dock was over and everything, he gave me good time to write my all the DLPs, 1 month almost literally off, complete my DLP. And I completed my DLP, signed off, taught me good things. His wife was also sailing along with the small baby girl. So we had
Okay.
fun, went Chole, when they're still in touch with me, still in good relationship. And I still in touch with him because, something, that, I was this cadet and now I'm master and he's like a senior master. He joined
Absolutely.
MSc after that contract and I think he's one of the very senior masters in MSc. So
Yeah,
a
yes,
big
yes, yes.
hello to him as well. If
Yes,
you
yes,
ever
yes.
see him, just
Absolutely.
pass
I
him the
just met
message.
him in 2 or 3 company parties, and he's well known in our company. And like all seminars or all parties, if he starts speaking, neither he stops nor people wants to stop listening to him. So it's amazing to hear him out, and it's a pleasure sometimes to stay with him if he remains because I think I got to know him. I may like some leave sailing or something. So that's how it is. So it was great. Everyone, I think, enjoyed the session also, sir. And it was great for all the cadets, I hope. And anything, if anyone of the cadet wants to ask, obviously, Captain Vijay is there, Captain Chaudhary is there. It was great talking to you, Captain Chaudhary. Thank you for giving us time, sir.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. It was fun.
Yes, sir.
And Captain Vijay, I love your t-shirt. Anush, thanks for entertaining us as ever. And thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank
I
you.
would like to
Yeah,
say thank you to Abhishek for taking this initiative and picking a very interesting topic so that it gives me a respect for you that you are also concerned about a very hot topic, training of cadets. So that's a very good thing that you did. So kudos to you. And
Thank you, sir.
next time, I'm very open. If like you had to get to me through someone, so I thank that other person as well. She
Yeah.
was a small hint. She was my co-host on many of the sessions.
Yes.
So, guys, anyone, if you have a very interesting topic or if you have something educational content that you want, please DM me directly. I'm open. Do not hesitate. I am nobody, just a person with some knowledge who wants to share. I am open. You can arrange any live sessions. I'll try my best. Give me time. I'll do my homework. We'll have a great session. And I intentionally get Captain Ravi as well because sometimes if I'm unable, he is always there to back me up.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
So
thank you.
Absolutely.
I'll be
And
joining. So in case Abhishek, you want to plan any session, so he is there. Plus, I have my other friends as well. Most of them are on board right now. So if anything, everybody is there to help. So don't worry.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir. Good night.
thank
And
you, Abhishek. And
and yeah,
Abhishek, stay in touch also.
surely, sir. Surely. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Captain Vijay, I wish you born voice for your next contract. Safe seas. एंड जैसे कैप्टन तरुण ने कहा, आई होप आपकी पूरी हार्ड डिस्क खाली हो जाए और आपको कोई सरप्राइज ना मिले. So wish you for that. Have a great journey.
Okay, I have 3 hard disks, 4 TB, 5 TB, सब मूवी से भरे हुए.
अच्छा.
So कभी खाली नहीं होती.
Okay. That's great. That's great. All right.
All right.
Okay.
चलो then.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so
Okay,
much,
then.
Abhishek.
Thank you,
Please save
everyone.
this
Okay.
live. I believe it will be very useful for the guys. So
Surely. Thank you. All right.
thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you for always giving us time. Yeah. Thank you.
So that was our session, end of the session. I hope you all got your queries. If I miss something, you can always ask me. You can DM me in my Instagram, World True Sailors Lens, and shoot out to Simran Sidhu. She referred me to Captain Vijay. It was a great time with Captain Vijay, Captain Ravi Chaudhary. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, both the masters. And we'll be keep doing the live sessions till I join my next contract, hopefully in the April. So thank you, everyone, and thanks for watching. That's all.